Hi everyone, happy 2000 New Year. Welcome back to our series. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English. This is series 1.0. We are going to continue the lesson with the scriptures, studying the attributes of God. Kapugara ai shining nan king lokong kuning rai uga ngu yong pe skram dadai ngai the rao ndai series 1 ota matut na chumlai ka the rao Kărai Kasang a nsam kumla shingkang ni nguai lam ni phe matut na khajala ga ndai ko matun dai ga si ni phe shong khajala ga. Firstly, we are going to learn those terms. Omniscient, adjective, meaning is knowing everything. Omni, the first part of omniscient, that is Latin root, meaning is all. Omniscient God, meaning is God's knowledge is total. Omniscience, now, meaning is all-knowing. God knows everything, including the past, the present, and the future. Omniscient in Kachin-Jinghpaw, chytum chyalai chyang ai, knowing everything. Yong pe che ai, Omni, Latin root, or in Kachin-Jinghpaw, yong or nga. Omniscient God in Kachin-Jinghpaw, chytum chyalai chyang ai Kărai Kasang. God's knowledge is total. Kărai Kasang a mchang go sep kop re. Omniscience, now in Kachin-Jinghpaw, chytum chyalai chyang ai lam, all-knowing. Chye ning chang. God knows everything, past, present, and future. Kărai Kasang yong pe chyang ai, mue prat, ya prat, thom phang prat. Omniscient God in Kachin-Jinghpaw, chytum chyalai chyang ai Kărai Kasang. It is one of the attributes of God. Let's learn about it with the scriptures. Chytum chyalai chyang ai Kărai Kasang ngugo. Kărai Kasang a nsam kumla ngai re ndai lam ni phe cha chumunga the matut na khajala ga. Isaiah chapter 46 verse 9 to 10. Remember the former things of old, for I am God, and there is no other. I am God, and there is none like me, declaring the end from the beginning, and from ancient times, things that are not yet done, saying, My counsel shall stand, and I will do all my pleasure. Esaia Laika dogba malishi gru dogaji jakhu gona shi. Mue prat na lam ni phe du mu ngai go Kărai Kasang rai nga ngai shaje nga ai ngai nan Kărai Kasang rai nga na ngai the bung ai nga ai ngai go mpot go na chum du kra mong moi chloi khoi go na Kărai mbi ne amu ni phe mong shpro dan ngai nye a pha ji do ai lam green nga na ra ai ngai ram ra phe shtup na ngai. Remember verb in Kachin-Jinghpaw, phe dum ai, dum mu or dum u. That is the imperative form. I'm going to read a very beautiful scripture. God knows everything, including our heart. 1 John chapter 3 verse 20b. God is greater than our heart and knows all things. Yohana shkunda dai laika langai dogba masum dogaji kun bi Kărai Kasang go antia mitha grau gaba nga ai right na yong myong the jinga ai greater than Jinghpaw go tha grau gaba ai greater than meaning in Kachin-Jinghpaw is tha grau gaba nga ai. Psalm chapter 139 verse 1 to 2. O Lord, you have searched me and known me. You know my sitting down and my rising up. You understand my thought afar off. Shkon kung don laika dogba lasa sumshi jku dogji langai ko na lakhong. Yehovah ngai phe mano yu na jinga ndai ngai dunga ai the rodwa ai go nang jinga ndai ngai mit mang ai phe mung san ko na pi nang jinga ndai. Psalm chapter 139 verse 3 to 4. You comprehend my part and my lying down and are acquainted with all my ways. For there is not a word on my tongue, but behold, O Lord, you know it all together. Shikon kung don laika dogba lasa sumshit ku dogji masum gonamli ngai khomwa ai the to nga ai phe nang dinglik yu nga ndai right na nya lam shgu phe che jak nga ndai Yehovah nya shinglet the ngai sun ai ga khomi mok nang che nga ai go nga lu ai. Psalm chapter 139 verse 5 to 6. You have hedged me behind and before, and laid your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me. It is a height I cannot attain it. Shkon kung don laika dogba lasa sumshi jku dogji mga ko na kru nango nye a shong de pang de ngai phe gawanda na nye a nsa na lata phe mara danu ai dai thewa che chang ai lam nya matu mau pha ga ba rai nga ai dai go naw so la ai rai na ngai ndang mit lu we ai. May your 2020 be filled with joy, love, peace, healthiness, happiness, and success. Thank you very much. See you next time. Yong pei grai chi chuk ba sai phang de bai khrum ga